Unraveling Idioms, Make Waves in Everyday English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used phrase, make waves. Understanding idioms like this is crucial for mastering conversational English, as they often pop up in everyday discussions. So, let's get started and find out what it really means to make waves. The phrase, make waves, might bring to your mind the image of literally creating waves in water. However, in everyday English, this idiom has a metaphorical meaning. To make waves means to cause a disturbance or create an impact in a situation or a group. This impact can be either positive or negative, depending on the context. For instance, if someone says, "She really made waves when she proposed the new policy," it means that her proposal caused a significant reaction among the people involved. To understand this idiom better, let's look at some examples. 1. The new manager is making waves with his innovative approach to the business. Here, making waves means introducing changes that significantly impact the business. 2. Be careful not to make waves during the meeting. It's a sensitive topic. In this case, making waves refers to avoiding causing trouble or disturbance. 3. His groundbreaking research in renewable energy really made waves in the scientific community. Here, making waves is used in a positive sense, indicating that his research had a notable and impactful influence. Like many idioms, make waves can be slightly altered while retaining its meaning. You might hear, creating waves, causing a stir, or stirring things up, a similar idiom with a comparable meaning. Understanding these variations will help you recognize the idiom in different contexts. It's important to know the right situations for using this idiom. Make waves is commonly used in professional or business settings, discussing changes or impacts caused by individuals or policies. Social contexts, talking about actions or statements that disrupt the status quo or provoke discussion. Media and news, referring to events, discoveries, or actions that have significant public impact. Remember, the tone can be either positive or negative, so pay attention to the context. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of make waves. Idioms like this are what make English a rich and vibrant language. Now that you're familiar with this phrase, try using it in your conversations and see how it makes waves. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting explorations into English idioms. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.